Introducing the future of outdoor lighting. RGBCW lamps. Elevate your business and offer your customers unparalleled lighting control. Easily group fixtures into zones for tailored lighting experiences. Customize the ambiance to perfection. From warm and inviting to cool and contemporary. Provide lighting solutions that suit any home, mood, or occasion. Cultivate creativity and set the stage with endless color possibilities. Let your customers choose their own unique lighting experience. Our RGBCW lamps are designed to enhance various landscape lighting fixtures, giving you versatility and flexibility. Streamline your installation process. No complex setup. Simply insert the lamp and use the RF remote to select which group you want the fixtures in. Transform your clients' outdoor living spaces and make every moment unforgettable with RGBCW lamps. Illuminate their world their way. Partner with us to take your landscape lighting business to the next level. Contact us today.